Hi guys, Sony's new vlogging camera ZV-1 Mark II was just released. Should you buy it? Spoiler alert, I don't think so. In this video, we'll be looking at some of Sony's most popular cameras. This quick guide can help you decide which is the best choice for you. Let's get started. We can categorize most cameras into two sections, full frame and APS-C. Full-frame camera's sensor is twice the size of APS-C cameras, so they will have better low-light capacity and dynamic range. Apart from this, we also have the even smaller 1-inch sensor cameras. If you're new to photography and videography, and you don't have a high budget, I would suggest starting from an APS-C camera. You might have seen or heard about the A6000 series. But personally, I think they are outdated. Nowadays, you can buy better cameras with lower price. For example, the Sony ZV-E10 is a great choice. It is designed as a vlogging camera, but it's the best budget hybrid camera with great low light and autofocus performance. And it is very lightweight. It doesn't have in-body stabilization, but it does come with active stage shot. Also in the vlogging category, we have the ZV-1F, ZV-1, and the newly released ZV-1 Mark II. These three cameras have an 1-inch sensor, which is even smaller than APS-C sensor. This means they don't have great low-light performance. They are super lightweight, but they don't allow you to change lenses since they already come with a fixed lens, so you don't have as much to explore. In my opinion, in 2023, if you are after a lightweight camera and you don't want to spend time researching different lenses, a smartphone with a powerful camera might be a more suitable choice for you. We also have the ZV-E1 in the vlogging category. This was released in early 2023. It is a full-frame camera in an APS-C size. It has the best stabilization in the Sony system, as well as amazing low-light performance. It also supports 4K 60p video, so it allows you to capture great slow-motion footages. It's probably the most powerful vlogging camera you can find in the market. The Sony FX3 and FX30 are part of Sony's cinema lineup, perfect for filmmakers. They allow you to load LUTs for color grading and have multiple mounting points for accessories like microphone or external monitor. Both cameras deliver exceptional video quality. For beginners, these are sort of overkill. You probably won't use these advanced features and you are paying a premium for them. I wouldn't recommend them unless you are doing professional jobs. But even for professionals, A7S III, which we will look at later, might be a better choice. You got a full-frame sensor with great low-light performance and much cheaper than FX3. Now let's look at the A7 series. We have A7 Mark II, Mark III, Mark IV. The higher the number, the newer and more advanced it is. These are the most basic models in the A7 series. They managed to strike a balance between resolution and low-light performance. They are equally great for photography and videography. It's the best choice for hybrid entry-level professionals. If you have a limited budget and want to purchase a reasonably priced camera with balanced performance, the A7 series is definitely your best option. I would recommend Mark IV, as the other two are rather old now. There is also an A7C, which is a compact version of A7 III. Moving on to the A7R series. The R means resolution, making it the go-to option for professional photographer in pursuit of super high resolution for large print. These cameras boast exceptional image quality and an impressive megapixel count. The latest addition, the A7R5, takes it even further with its incredible autofocus system, ensuring precise and sharp focus in every shot. It's the top choice for photographers who prioritize uncompromising image quality and detailed photographs. The A7S series is specifically designed for video shooting and prioritizes low light performance and high sensitivity capabilities. Due to their lower pixel counts, they exhibit exceptional noise handling capacities, but not great for photo shooting. There is also A9, which is specialized in sports photography, and the flagship A1, which is supposed to come with all the latest technology of Sony. But it's been quite a while since it was first released, so some other models actually offer more advanced features than this one. Alright, these are the most popular Sony cameras. Quick review. If you want a budget lightweight camera, just go for ZV-E10. It offers the best value at that price. For best low-light video camera, ZV-E1 is for casual content creators, while A7S III is for professional videographers since it has 2 card slots and is less likely to overheat for continuous recording. A7 Mark IV is the best hybrid all-arounder. You can take both photos and videos of high quality. I hope this quick guide have provided valuable insights and helped you narrow down your options. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.